Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Williamson local and long distance movers near me. Have you decided to relocate? And are you looking for a dependable moving company to help you relocate to your new location? If you are, you're in the right place. 3 Movers is the perfect moving company for you. We are cheap, local, and long distance movers in Williamson, Arizona. With us at the helm of your relocating ship, you can be sure that your move will be successful. We help your clients make quick and affordable relocations from their present location to their destination, no matter the distance. Why do we have a high success rate? We have a high success rate because of our team of professionals working for us. They are experienced and dedicated to their duty. They understand what each individual relocation requires and will always ensure that you are comfortable through the move. We are a customer-centric firm with an effective and efficient customer service line. Our priority is to see our customers satisfied and happy at the end of our business correspondence. To this end, we will help you map out a working and efficient moving plan that will get you to your destination on time and without any stress. This plan will consider your moving needs, schedule, and budget. We provide our customers with insurance that will secure them from incurred risk during and after relocation. This way, we become responsible for the safety of the trip. Do you want a stress-free move that is fully secure? Then you should totally call us to help you with your move. We are the best option for you. Our moving packages are the best in the community, and you can trust us to make your move memorable. With our flexible moving packages that consider your budget, schedule, and moving needs, you can rest assured while relocating. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Williamson moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online form.